Hello and welcome to PrimeCode Media. My name is Sana Mapena. With this video, I'm presenting to you a brand new tech channel. From this channel, you can expect programming and web development content. I'll be sharing everything that I have learned on my own journey as a self-taught programmer in the form of coding tutorials. I hope that this channel inspires anyone who wants to take up coding to do it and to know that it's possible. Everything there is to be known about a lot of things these days is available on the internet. The content I'll be sharing will include some fascinating programming concepts and how some of the functionalities that you encounter quite often on web pages are created. You can look forward to an HTML for Beginners series. HTML is short for Hypertext Markup Language. This is a markup language which is concerned with the content and structure of web pages. This will be followed by a series on CSS. CSS is short for Cascading Style Sheet. This is a language for styling web pages. Next will be a JavaScript for beginner series. JavaScript has to do with the behavior of web pages. From then onwards, some of the topics you can expect will include React, JS, Node.js, SQL, MySQL, PHP, and many more. While the primary focus of this channel is programming, every now and then we will share content that we think might be helpful to other programmers out there. Future plans include having interviews with other programmers about interesting industry topics, for example, new innovations, project ideas, programming topics, and so on. So there's a lot to look forward to. And by the way, I'm also looking forward to learning a lot from you. So please feel free to engage. It's a lifelong learning journey. So I'm not starting this channel because I know everything there is to be known about programming. Not at all. I'm starting this channel because I have learned enough to discuss and share. So please join me on this learning journey by subscribing to this channel and by clicking the bell icon to get notifications when new videos come out, and any kind of support from you will be greatly appreciated. I am so excited and look forward to meeting you in our upcoming episodes. Till next time, take care. Goodbye.